Lucy's still asleep next to me right over here. We're waking up early because we want to see the Ait Benhaddou Kasbah early in the morning before there are any tourists, and also the best light will probably be around sunrise. So I'm gonna get coffee ready and then I'll wake up Lucy. Lucy, time to wake up. Lucy, time to wake up. Coffee. Let's see how it looks outside. It's still pretty dark outside. I think it's 6:20 now. Sunrise is at
6:31.
6:31. Sunrise is at 7:55. Are you excited to see the 뭐지?
Ait Benhaddou. Kasbah.
Kasbah? You excited?
It's beautiful. His movie was taken a lot.
Lots of movies.
My favorite movie.
I think Mummies. I think everyone has seen that city somehow. Because I saw the list of movies that was made there.
Game of Thrones.
I saw at least 20 of those movies.
난 게임 오브 트론 안 봤는데 왕제 게임 안 봤는데 그 미이라를 내가 20번 넘게 봤으니까. Good morning. Mark woke up really early. I didn't expect he would wake like 6 a.m. around. So he's outside and taking care of the camera gears, and then he made a breakfast for me. Look at this, ta-da! Korean ramen. So I'm gonna eat. It's pretty sweet though.
Nobody.
We have a cat food. Oh no.
We don't have any cat food right now though.
Oh. Sorry.
It's a friendly little kitten. Oh. We'll bring you back some food, okay? Stay here. We'll get you some food. Oh, he's purring. Oh, poor little baby. Stay here. We'll get you some food later, okay?
드라이브 해가지고 와야겠다.
Yeah.
어제 따라와.
Hey, buddy. You want to go to the Kasbah with us?
내가 플래그 했네?
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
저런 거 재밌겠다.
맞아.
4명 태워가지고 사막 가가지고 다 같이 캠핑차 내고 캠핑하고 뒤에 키친 큰 거 있으니까 거기에 그 요리해가지고 저 아저씨 뭐 하는 거야? 너무 쿨하게. What is the name of the place we are going?
Kasbah.
아니 그거 You always forget.
Ait Benhaddou. Something like that. What is it?
Ait Benhaddou.
Shortwave Kasbah. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. 여기 중고마트다.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank Korea.
Korea.
Oh, very nice people.
Thank you. Shukran.
Lucky. Look at that. It's like a movie. 진짜 너무 예뻐요. 아침 지금 9시거든요. 해가 쫙 비치면서 너무 예뻐.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. 보자. Ah, nice.
Mm-hmm.
You can keep that for memory.
Oh, yeah.
This way.
This way?
Follow
Okay.
me, because we are guides.
Okay.
It's closed. This they put the key inside. They push it up and then open like this.
What's your name?
Hassan.
Hassan. Hassan. Hassan.
Hassan. He live here in the Kasbah.
Hassan.
Yes.
I'm sure we should give you money for the tour. How much will this tour cost?
Take 1 hour 20 minutes. They make 150.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Hassan.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm Mark,
Mark, nice to meet
and this is Lucy.
Lucy, let's
Yeah,
see.
but you can call me Fatima.
Fatima.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Mohammed.
Mohammed, they're very nice. You see? Yeah, because before in the Berber families, the first boss is Mohammed.
Yeah,
First boy.
Yeah.
I'm the firstborn.
The first girl in the house is Fatima.
Ah, so your name's Hassan, so you're not the oldest.
Brother is big, Mohammed.
Ah, okay.
And the sister Fatima.
Fatima. I want to ask you, this is made of mud and
And the straw.
straw. Ah, okay.
Mix.
Yeah.
Water.
Oh, I see the lock.
Yeah, this is the original one.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yalla. Yalla.
Yalla.
Yalla, yalla. Yalla Fatima, yalla Mohammed. Yalla Bina. Yalla Hassan. That's your head.
Oh my gosh, look how thick that is.
Yeah, see the people they make 1 meters 80,
Yeah.
90.
All right. Yeah, so thick.
This is the small room for the children. Yes, you can go inside. The small rooms, very warm. Very lot of children.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You fall down,
Yeah.
you're dead.
Before, this is the clay.
Ah.
The rains, people slide. Now the government they do this with the concrete and the stones. And now I have water in the castle.
So it looks like the government is trying to bring people back.
Yeah.
Hassan, can we live here too?
Yes. Welcome. If you want to get in, I give you 1 room in the house. Why not?
Perfect.
And this is the main street. The main street.
Oh, this is a free woman, free man. Oh, you can see our car. Come over here, son. Do you see over there the blue van?
Yes.
That's our car.
Ah, with the camping.
Yeah.
Nomad.
Yeah, we're nomad.
Nomad. Oh.
Yeah. The view there looks amazing.
Gladiator, Game of Thrones, Prince of Persia. This is all the movies here.
Oh, here's the list of
Yeah,
all
that's
the
it.
movies.
Yeah, the last one in 2021. John Malkovich. This Khaleesi, Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
And we are here in the movie. That's my head.
Ah, really?
Yes, this is Hassan.
Hassan's there, huh?
This is a Berber alphabet. This is Berber. Yeah, they have 33 letters. And look at this, Mustafa, he want to explain to you how they write this.
This technique before they use it to communication, to write the secret message like invisible ink. The pigment is a green tea with sugar, orange juice
Orange juice.
with saffron, and this it's indigo.
Indigo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can see only the saffron and indigo.
Interesting.
And this technique it's only from this village. It's our idea.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming. Oh my gosh.
And it smells like creme brulee,
Chichibong.
caramelized,
Like creme brulee.
because of the sugar.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Wow.
Oh,
So
cool.
the black is a tea with sugar.
Yeah.
Yellow is a saffron.
Yeah.
The blue it's indigo.
So we wanted to get one we want to put on our car, but the space is really small. So, okay, what do you think, Hanya?
어떤 거 할래? 어떻게 할래?
Can you sign your name?
Sure.
There it goes. Oh, nice. Oh, I love this. So cool.
No, right?
Yeah.
This is magic.
Look at that. That's us.
Yeah. 모하메드 파티마.
Thank you so
shukran.
much. It's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Very beautiful. I hope you get a lot of business.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
It's for Hollywood. It's heavy.
Lift that Hollywood stone.
Oh, it's heavy. I think it's heavy.
Two hands.
What's it made? Oh, fiberglass.
What is same in
Hassan,
Yeah.
no, what's the rocks?
This is the tourists. They do something for
Yeah.
good luck.
Ah,
Yeah.
so this is not Berber.
No.
You love it, huh?
Yeah, I love it. Why not?
Yeah, that's my house. Welcome.
Ah.
So this is the place
Uh-huh.
they put the food for the animals, the storage.
Ah, yeah.
Before is the kitchen here.
Uh-huh.
That's it's
Oh,
black.
wow.
That's
Yeah.
small.
Ah, right.
This is
You have like one big oven and some small ovens too, huh?
it's modern with the gas comfortable.
Yeah.
Modern kitchen.
Ah, yeah, you got the fire and
Yeah,
everything.
for drink one glass of the tea
Oh,
together.
you're making us tea.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, son.
Hospitality Berber.
Yeah.
That's tea.
Bourbon whiskey.
Yeah, exactly. Berber whiskey. The sheep, goat,
Yeah.
animals.
Oh, you have the goat.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, Eggy.
Oh, 어떡해. 너무 귀여워.
Hey. Oh, Mama doesn't want me to go near the sheep.
Yeah.
It's okay, Mama.
나온다.
Oh, no. Go back in.
Let's go.
There you go.
Let's go.
Bye. All right. He's not happy. Your mother was making that.
Yeah, they make the carpet.
Ah.
He's a chop of my mother.
She's very beautiful.
And his father, he dyed the coloring with the saffron, henna, indigo.
Ah,
The
yeah.
colorists from the
Yeah.
world. My brother, in Game of Thrones, the movie.
Ah, this from the movie.
Oh.
Action.
Wow.
Berber whiskey.
Bear whiskey.
Berber whiskey. Saha.
Saha.
Saha. Saha.
Oh, very good.
And this is the job of the family, the carpet. All this is make it by family.
애기야.
Yeah.
다르다.
Oh, the color's different too.
어.
This quality is very good.
Yeah, this is handmade.
아, 진짜 잘 만들었다.
Oh yeah. Oh, they do the ends really nicely here, huh?
That side.
Yeah, both sides are finished. Like this one, this side's not finished.
And then
This one's both sides finished.
Two sides, both sides.
Beautiful.
Color is seen with saffron, henna, indigo.
And this one, the smell is really good.
Yeah.
Oh, we used to have this similar
yeah.
one, huh?
어, 맞아. 우리
This one's much nicer. Oh, so soft.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very soft,
very-
yes.
Facebook or
WhatsApp. For
WhatsApp or
WhatsApp, yes.
yeah, we'll let people know your WhatsApp number and they
Yes.
can call you
Yes.
for tour.
Yes, okay.
And
somehow in the carpet.
this carpet is
Amazing.
top class. Assalamualaikum.
Bread.
How much is the bread?
مشتاقين 10 dirham.
10 dirham. Okay. Thank you. Shukran. Oh wow, it looks delicious.
진짜 크다. 와우. 그래서 카밀이 그건 오븐인가? It's really good.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Oh, fresh bread is nice. Last few. Love fresh bread.
Inshallah.
Yeah,
Next time, inshallah.
Yeah.
Anytime.
we will come back here.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
Now you know my house.
Yeah.
You come back, it's open.
Or we
Welcome.
can call you like, hi.
Ah, there to my house. Bye bye.
All right.
Good trip. Bye bye.
Bislama.
مع السلامة. Bye bye.
We thought we were gonna do that without a guide. No way. That
Oh,
place
진짜
is like a
필요해.
maze.